Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen different ways, full guide. Begin by choosing the broth, noodles, and toppings, then gather tools and pots. I will show simple techniques for boosting instant ramen, making quick broths, and building richer, restaurant-style bowls. Follow easy timing tips to keep noodles springy and toppings vibrant. Stay relaxed, taste as you go, and make each bowl your own with small tweaks. Want to transform instant ramen fast? I will explain quick upgrades like adding miso, a beaten egg, fresh greens, and toasted sesame oil to elevate flavor and texture. Small additions like garlic, chili paste, or a squeeze of lime change the whole bowl. I'll guide you through timing so eggs are perfect and noodles stay springy. These tricks make a weekday meal feel intentional and delicious without much fuss. For richer broth at home, I will explain how to simmer bones or vegetables low and slow to develop depth and body. Learn to clarify broths, roast aromatics for extra caramelized flavor, and incorporate kombu for umami lift. I'll show how to balance salt and acidity and when to finish with butter or miso. These methods take time, but reward you with ramen bowls that taste layered and restaurant quality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.